What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a simple time management method designed to help you focus and stay productive. It breaks work into short intervals, usually 25 minutes long, called Pomodoros, followed by a brief break. By using these cycles, you can minimize distractions, boost concentration, and avoid burnout. This technique is popular among students, professionals, and anyone looking to manage time more effectively.
Getting started, tools and setup.
To begin with the Pomodoro Technique, all you need is a timer, a to-do list, and a place to work without interruptions. A kitchen timer, smartphone app, or even an online tool can serve as your Pomodoro timer. Write down the tasks you want to accomplish and choose one to focus on for the first interval.
How to use the Pomodoro Technique?
Start your timer for 25 minutes and work only on your chosen task. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break, stand up, stretch, or get a drink. Repeat this process. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This structure helps maintain sharp focus while providing regular rest.
Tips for maximum focus and productivity.
Stay committed to your task during each Pomodoro. Avoid checking your phone or multitasking. If distractions pop up, jot them down to handle later. Adjust the length of your Pomodoros and breaks if needed. Over time, you'll find a rhythm that supports better focus, increased productivity, and reduced mental fatigue.
Making the Pomodoro Technique a habit.
Consistency is key. Use the Pomodoro Technique daily for both work and study. Review your progress regularly to identify what works best and tweak your approach. Over time, you'll develop stronger concentration skills and improved time management, helping you get more done with less stress.